Hello everyone. Years ago I showcased you what was inside of my pencil box. Now I'm older and I have a wallet, so let's see what's inside of it. Starting off with the most important piece, we have my COVID vaccination card. I've been vaccinated for about 1 whole year now, and I'm fully vaccinated with all my shots. I have a singular $10 bill. This is all the cash I keep in here. Here we have my beginner's driver's license. I've had it for 3 months. I've not been driving much due to the snow, but we'll start again during the springtime. This is my health insurance card. And here's my Apple credit card. I've had this one for 2 years now. And this is my Saginaw Library card. I've been going to that library for about 7 years now, and I've always been going there. And finally, here's my debit card. I do have a bank account. I've had it for 2 years as well. So that's what's inside my wallet. Thank you for watching.